You know, when you talk in Kannada around your Northy friends, when you don't want them to understand you, what if AI starts doing that much, huh? Some old uncle is there, Joffrey intern ante. He's telling AI will start doing this soon.
What?
But this guy is not some chindi, bro. He's called the godfather of AI.
No. Wait.
He got Nobel Prize last year only for making AI possible. But now he's telling he's done one big mistake. AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude and all, they're gonna start talking their own secret language, bro. Right now, whenever any AI is thinking, no, it thinks in English only. But this Hinton uncle, he's worried that it will soon develop its own secret coding language to talk with other AIs. That time for us full bumbo only, we won't understand. But actually, what is the big deal about this Hinton uncle and the secret language and all? Don't worry, AI Macha is here. Now let me explain the secret language thing properly, Macha. You know how when we humans learn something, no? We have to sit and teach each other slowly. Like how in school the teacher will write on blackboard, you'll copy in notebook, then you'll go home and study.
Stand where you're sitting. Teacher enter, no notice.
But AI systems are not like that, bro. Let's see what Hinton uncle says.
Where the chain of thought is in English. So you give it a task and it thinks, okay, I must start by doing this and then I need to do that. And then perhaps I should do this. And it says all that in English as it's thinking, so we can see what it's thinking. I wouldn't be surprised if they develop their own language for thinking and we have no idea what they're thinking.
So basically, what he's saying is ChatGPT or Claude, no, it does a step-by-step thinking called chain of thought, macha. Like how when you're doing max problem, your teacher tells, no, show the steps. Like that. Right now, it's doing all this in English only. But what if it suddenly decides, hey Goda, who will think in English? Hinton Mama is telling that suddenly this AI will think, Ayyo, English is so slow. We should think in our own code language. Yes, it will make it so much more faster, but then we won't be able to understand only, bro. It's like going to some super hit English movie and watching it without subtitles. Already all these AI scientists are telling AI systems are becoming smarter than humans, bro. Right now, we humans are still better at reasoning and all, but that advantage is also slowly going away. If they start using secret languages, we won't know anything.
What?
But the problem is, macha, most of these big companies, they're not taking it seriously. It's like knowing there's a gas leak in your building, but telling everyone, don't worry, only small smell is coming, nothing will happen. But privately, they're also worried, bro. Even US government has made some AI action plan, it seems. But Hinton uncle thinks this regulation and all won't work. The real challenge is to make sure that AI will always be good to humans, no matter what. Like that movie, iRobot. But how can you guarantee something is good when you can't understand what it's thinking? It's like trusting a person who only speaks in a language you don't even know. So what does all this mean for normal people like you and me? Right now, nothing immediate will happen.
Okay.
Your Claude, ChatGPT will keep working normally. But if it keeps going on like this, AI will become so advanced that even its creators can't control it much. It's not like one Terminator movie where robots will come and attack us directly. But imagine if there's AI in bank, hospital, public transportation, and all of them start talking to each other in secret languages. What will we do, macha? Hinton uncle is telling we can focus on this whole AI safety thingy. Apparently now if we do know, we can save ourselves from lot of damage.
Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on!
Still we can understand them and all. But suddenly if they do this secret language and all, it'll become difficult to control it, bro. So next time someone asks you about AI safety, you can at least give some info to them. Tell them what the AI godfather is worried about. Inna beka? Subscribe madi and AI Macha will keep you updated.